product you don't want, you don't need, and then you don't have any information about that, as long as you want, you will buy it because of habitual behaviors. Any question? Do you understand?
Next.
Variety seeking. In variety seeking behavior, consumers have low involvement, but the brands have significant perceived differences. So means variety. Variety means it's so many. Something like Colgate, toothpaste, Colgate, Close Up, Pepsodent, Happy. So we have many choices, many variety. So simply means what do we need? But the brand has significant. Significant means important. So that we will get the product because of significant brand. So if you the consumer, what kind of toothpaste that you will patronize? Happy.
Close
Okay,
up.
Happy.
Beam.
Happy. Okay, most of us
Close up.
wants the Colgate. Why? Because of the brand.
Yes.
Because
And it is
Excellent.
protection.
yes,
Because it is proven and tested.
yes, proven and tested. So that's why we are depending on the brand. Because of the toothpaste pioneer is the Colgate.
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
Colgate is the pioneer of the toothpaste, so that Colgate is the most popular for us, so that all of us know the product of Colgate. Variety seeking, it means that so you have so many choices, but you're depending on the brand. Variety seeking. Dishonest reducing. In dishonest reducing buyer behavior, consumers are highly involved with the purchase, which is often risky, infrequent, and expensive, but the brand habitual or perceived differences. Well, next.
Hindi maintindihan yan.
Paano matulog ka?
Using buying behavior. Consumers are highly involved with the purchase.
What is dishonest?
May perceive.
What is dishonest? What is dishonest?
Types of consumer.
Types of consumer. In business terms, there are different types of consumer of goods and services that are offered for sale by companies and manufacturers. Okay.
Tara.
We have the seasonal consumer. These are types of consumer who purchase and consume products on seasonal basis.
Like in Christmas vacation.
Hi.
Christmas season.
They buy products that season base or
Seasonal.
season base or demanded at a certain time or not all the time. For example, ngayon, now, rainy day. Yung umuulan, syempre, kailangan ng we need umbrella kasi because it's rainy day,
Kapote.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, yo.
Like in summer.
Like in summer, every summer, every Christmas, we need Christmas
Jacket.
decor,
Christmas tree. Christmas light.
Christmas
Everything like
gift flowers for sa birthdays, we need birthday cakes,
Christmas
balloons,
phone.
Yeah, it's
Birthday.
somewhere that when during the summer vacation, you will suit some
field
jacket.
shoot.
Of course not. You will not able to buy that product because do you think you will buy a jacket if it's a summer? No.
Sometimes.
You will buy.
Sometimes.
No.
Why did the
Those people who, because it is less wear cool when summer.
It's hot.
Yes, again.
example, in Baguio.
No, it's so hot. So, you will depending on the season. Yeah. Yeah. Did you understand? Depending on the season. Something like season. Summer. We have summer, winter, and spring. Summer. During summer, do you think you will buy some jacket? It's so very hot. Yeah. Wait, one by one.
Why did the Jelly Boys have their varsity jacket even though it's hot?
That's it. Outside, outside.
Because their fashion is
We don't have any winter.
Season. Summer and winter. Summer and spring days. Okay, that's all.
standard English.
We have personal consumer. These types of consumer are individual consumer who purchase for those sole purpose of personal family or household. For example, yung mga those
English.
Hygienic.
Yeah, you know.
Like
Toothbrush, shampoo, soap,
Personal hygiene.
Yes,
personal hygiene.
Toothpick.
Tao eh.
Towel,
Tibra, underwear. Personal that you will use in your personal use.
Napkin. Ginamit ko na, kapagamit ko pa.
Organizational consumer. Organizational consumer are consumer of goods and services whose main intention is not for immediate use, but rather use it for things like production, using them to carry out the organization's activities, or for resale purposes aimed at getting profit as a result. Example, organizational consumer, example, the Mercury drug.
Medicine.
They sell medicine, but they are not the one who make it, diba?
Medicine.
Make medicine. So
Yeah.
that we can call that the Mercury drug is a organizational consumer because they are what do you call that? They are consumer of goods.
but
Yes, consumer. They get medicine from the laboratory, like Pfizer, like Unilab, but after that, they reselling it. They just
Diesel.
sell it, and then they in service naman, whose main service, they render the ano call it?
The best example is the buy and sell.
Oh, no, not just buy and sell because it is an organization. No? Like, yes, it is an organization. So, we can say that organizational consumers, if are,
As you can see, there are resale
Yeah.
purposes
Yeah.
aimed at getting profits as a result. So you buy goods and you resell it.
yes,
So
but
buy and sell it.
in this situation, organization.
Oh. I don't get it.
Maybe just like a
No,
buy.
So, parang nagkakaroon ng motivation.
Parang impulsive, alam niyo yung wala ka plano-plano, nakita lang yung
Bibili lang ng bibili.
Bye-bye.
Basta magustuhan. Magustuhan lang niya.
most of the time, it's difficult when you are an impulsive buyer. Like, if you are doing your groceries, di ba there is one rule na, there's one it's not really a rule, but they say that when you are going to buy your groceries, kailangan busog ka. Kumain ka muna. Kasi once gutom ka at umiikot ka sa grocery, nag-grocery ka, makikita mo kung ano bibili mo. Dahil di ba meron tayong na gutom ka, gusto mo kainin, kung ano kung gusto mo kainin yun ang bibili mo. Pag busog ka daw, plan ka. Kung ano na yung kailangan mo missing sa bahay. It's sometimes if you're impulsive, hindi pinag-iisipan yung ginagawa niya. Diba?
Basta bili lang ng bili.
O yung impulsive buyer ka. O kaya yung mga impulsive na kahit siya tao mismo niya, tayo mismo impulsive na. Bigla ka na lang nangunguso. Pinagplanuhan.
Kung para bang naano siya sa pahuli. Yung bili lang ng bili.
Oo.
Napagbutom na rin.
Bili ang bili.
Then mo ako. Need-based consumer. Need-based consumer are those types of consumer who buy goods and service when they need them and not any other time. Any other time. For example,
Example, the mother. Babies, the mother's mom, they only need they are practical mothers, so they will buy only the needs, not only the wants, because they are just preparing for the need and for the need and not in any other time. So example,
yung needs kesa sa mga wants ng family niya.
Or basically, these are when this is when you say
yes,
these are
opposite of impulse.
as the need arises. Like if you're going to buy kunwari toothpaste, pag naubos na,
Yes.
diba?
Yes.
Hindi yung kagaya yung
Iba.
iba meron talagang stock. Pwede na ubos na yung ano mo, nag-grocery sila. Kunwari, they do their groceries every 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks talagang nagre-review ka whether ubos o hindi. Diba? But while need-based consumers, a certain type of people who only does their groceries or do their groceries or do their buying when the need arises. If ever they saw that there's no soap anymore, no toothpaste anymore, that's the only time that they buy. Diba? Yun yung mga need-based. Bibili ka lang ng damit, wala ka na lang
Yes, for the occasion. So,
Discount-driven consumer. Discount-driven consumer are types of consumer who are purchase goods and service primarily for the discounts
discounts on offer.
Ito yung mga
Kapalit buyers.
example, consumer na hinihintay nilang magbabayad.
sa sale.
Opo.
Yes.
Pagka nakakita na ng sale, parang
Nagsaan na sila
tenga,
bumili.
diba?
Yes, yes, yes.
Uy, may sale.
Sale,
Kahit
tayo
hindi mo
mabibili.
O kaya wala ka ng plano-plano, nang dadating yung impulse mo, nagiging impulsive ka pa dahil nakita mong sale.
You will buy it. Because if there's a discount, so,
Siyempre, ma-obvious ka sa
nanay mo, grabe.
Go for it.
Grab it.
Hindi mo kailangan.
Yes, but you don't need it.
Kaya mga discount driven yun.
Habitual consumer, something like,
Parehas lang ba ng habitual consumer yung habitual behavior consumer?
yes. Sige, pala. Habitual consumer are those who find it a must or compelling to use certain types of good whenever they are presented with the opportunity.
Okay lang.
Yun. If
Kaya
there's
anong group?
have a opportunity, something like what I've said earlier, before. If kapag sahod, di ba? They have the opportunity because they have money. So they will able to
Bye.
buy.
Paulit-ulit na binibili.
No,
Paulit-ulit na binibili, di ba, ma'am?
no. They Di ba they are just
Sorry.
Or the vendor.
basta yun, if they have the opportunity to buy that product, they will buy. Because opportunity is there. Why don't you grab it? Grab the opportunity. Yes, next. Describe consumer market. Consumer market, all individual or household who buy products for personal consumption. So all of us are consumer. All of us are consume product and for personal consumption. So we can say that all of us are consumer markets. Consumer markets. Okay.
Siguro we'll stop from there. Para masyadong marami eh.
Meron pa nga kami.
Nakakauwa yung
Nakakaumay kayo.
sa dami
Sama.
sa dami ng concept. Parang hindi naman kayo mabusog masyado. Kasi hindi yung mga tipong pag pumunta sa mall malungkot pag walang namin.
Ma'am,